This is day 2. We're back in the same location. That's Ed blowing his nose. It's not an elephant. We're in Patagonia, we're not in Africa. We're just setting up and waiting for that light that you can see coming over there now. Is just gonna lift in a minute and it will start shining onto these mountains here and hopefully make some beautiful magic. We've got about 30 seconds and this light is going to come through and open up and it is going to explode, we hope. So we're just sitting up on this ledge waiting to get everything happening. That image out. Look at that, beautiful. Just got the polarizer on here, just to cut out a bit of those reflections to keep it clean, get rid of the bit of the glare. We've got the sun coming through here, which just is amazing. It's just lighting up like fire. Absolutely magic. This place just keeps coming up with surprises every second, doesn't it? We've got Eleni here, beginner photographer, just started out, and she's got herself a Pentax K70, and we're actually really surprised of its results. It's an amazing little camera, it's doing a really good job. Then we move over to here. We've got a Pentax K1 set up here, my Pentax came with a 15-30. We've got Jeff Hint over here with the K1 and the 24-70 lens going in for a bit more of intimate detail. Ed over here is going full pano. He's actually, I think he's just lost the plot. He doesn't know what to, he's just going cunt. He's just taking everything in his sight. Yeah. But this part of Patagonia is just incredible.
Okay, we can see the river, Limay River, the road. This connection here of the Traful River with Limay River is that one over there. Can you see that there is another valley and another river coming from left? Okay, that's the connection here.
We're up at our next location for day 2 on the Patagonia Overland photography workshop. We're up. Has this mountain got a name, Federico?
Valle Encantado.
No, we're where we are right now, on top of here.
Mirador del Valle Encantado.
There you go. Look at the view from up here. The light's really harsh, so we're just having a play around with black and whites and stuff. But So we're now heading back into Bariloche after our first day in the Enchanted Valley. Time for a new location.
If you enjoyed the content of this video, please subscribe to the channel to see day 3 of the landscape photography workshop in Patagonia.